If you use Microkeeper for timesheets, this update is worth knowing about. We've rebuilt the timesheets experience from the ground up, new layout, new tools, and a lot of improvements to how you navigate and manage your team's hours. Let's walk through what's changed. The first thing you'll notice is the new two-panel layout. On the left, you have your navigation, either a list of employees or a list of days, depending on which view you're in. On the right, you get the visual timeline color-coded bars showing rosters, timesheets, leave, and public holidays at a glance. Hover over any bar, and you'll see exactly what it represents. Blue for rostered hours that weren't worked, red for hours worked outside the roster, purple for leave, the hatched pattern for public holidays, and gray for overlapping rosters and timesheets. If a shift has been modified, it shows in orange. You'll see that immediately without needing to dig into the record. Navigating is faster now. In the staff view, if your cursor is on the right side, you can scroll your mouse to move between employees. And if your cursor is on the left panel, use your keyboard arrow keys to move up and down through your staff list. In day view, you've got a new sort filter. Sort your staff by first name, last name, or start time. Useful when you've got a big team on a single day. The new pending tab shows you only the employees who have a timesheet waiting for approval. No need to scan through everyone. It's filtered for you automatically. Each employee also carries a pending tag directly on their row, so you can see at a glance who needs action. You can now add a single timesheet or multiple at once. When adding multiple, you select the employees you're adding timesheets for. Useful for bulk entry after a shift. Joint timesheets apply when an employee works a split shift, for example, clocked off at 10, gap until 12, then back on again. In the old version, those were treated as two completely separate timesheets. Those shifts are now joined automatically into one timesheet. The total hours are summed across both, and you can click the arrow to expand and see each sub-shift individually. You can now share a direct link to any specific shift. When someone opens it, they land straight on that shift. No need to log in, search, and navigate to it manually. Notes can also be added directly in the view. Notes apply to the whole week, so anything relevant to a pay period is there when you need it. If you're managing a large team, the visual bars can slow things down. You can now hide them. The view stays functional, and the page loads faster. One more thing. Everything you've just seen works on mobile too. Optimized navigation, the same features, same experience. Microkeeper goes where your business goes. That's the improved timesheets tool. If you've got questions or need a hand getting familiar with the new layout, our support team is available by phone and ticket. Thanks for watching and using Microkeeper.